Hi, my name is Matthew Borie, and I'm the head of analysis for Osprey Flight Solutions. I'll be providing today's weekly update. Starting off with coronavirus, the outbreak continues to persist in China, with aviation disruption reported at main urban centers of the country, to include airports in the capital, Beijing. Several US and Western European airlines have extended flight cancellations through the end of April, and leading civil aviation governing bodies, to include France and Germany, have issued notams regarding the virus outbreak in China. EASA also recently issued a safety information bulletin regarding the situation in China, which provides recommendations to operators for conducting secure flight operations to the country. Regarding Iraqi and Iranian airspace, we're continuing to monitor the situation between the US and Iran very closely. Within the last week, Iran conducted a failed space launch attempt via a domestically produced long-range rocket. This is the fourth failed attempt of a long-range rocket related to a satellite test in Iran since the start of 2019. The US and France have condemned the launch, and the US claims that such tests by Iran violate UN Security Council resolutions related to ballistic missile activity by the Iranian regime. The US issued updated background information for both Iraq and Iranian airspace in the past week, and France has extended its NOTAM requesting French operators defer flights within Iranian airspace through the 27th of February. However, France has not extended its NOTAM for Iraqi airspace, which had requested French operators defer flights over Iraq. The current situation now for French operators is to adhere to the advice provided by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation for France regarding Iraqi airspace in a circular. The circular requests French operators conduct flights over Iraqi airspace at altitudes above flight level 320 and on specific ATS routes. We're also monitoring air defense activity in Venezuela. There's currently exercises taking place across the country involving conventional surface-to-air missile systems, to include the capital, Caracas. We've noted deployments to specific areas near the airport in Caracas as well, and Venezuelan federal militias are also conducting man-pads training at several locations within the country. This is very troubling, as the United States continues to have a NOTAM in place for Venezuelan airspace at altitudes below flight level 260. Our last topic covers a shooting of an American Airlines pilot in Puerto Rico, which occurred in early February. The pilot was killed in the crossfire of a shootout in the capital, San Juan, while on a layover of a flight. The investigation is continuing, but there's no indication that the pilot was specifically targeted or shot in relation to his employment as a pilot. Violent criminal activity continues to be a concern in surrounding areas of the airport. We advise operators to conduct pre-travel security awareness training and local area threat assessments prior to conducting any flight operations into Puerto Rico. This concludes our weekly update. Please sign up to the page for more information going forward.